Hey guys, this is Edo from Tech with Edo, and today I want to talk to you about great resources that you can use at an entry level in 2025. So I've been taking online courses for close to 7 years now, and in the realm of data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning. And overall, it's been a fantastic skill set to develop in terms of being able to learn online at your own pace, flexibly and on demand. And especially in the world of AI, technology, and data science, there's lots and lots of great platforms that you can use and tailor a specific roadmap for your role desires, for your career aspirations, and just really be flexible and make it your own. Whether you're switching careers, going for a promotion in terms of your company, and just overall get to learn more about working as a data engineer, or also working with data engineers and learning more about their role and their day to day. In terms of what data engineer actually does, this role is very much responsible for the data architecture and data pipelining, all the various data sources that your company ingests, processes, and transforms to make data at your company actually usable by a variety of teams and transform for insightful decision making by downstream analytics teams, business stakeholders, you name it. Anybody at the company that needs to make decisions based off data will benefit from having data engineers that actually know what they're doing in terms of making data accessible, usable, secure, and scalable. So let's learn and go through 4 great platforms that you can use for your own online learning to get off a career in the data engineer world. The first platform that I want to show you is Zero to Mastery Academy. They're a fantastic platform for all sorts of data and tech roles. I have a great category of courses across many different realms and technologies, from design and UX AI, from business data analysis, you name it. They have it pretty much all. And they're very good in terms of their AI and machine learning category. You can pick up skills that are very useful for data engineers, such as, of course, Python, complete machine learning, and data science. But the course that I want to show you today is a quick intro course on data engineering, which is really, really cool. And it's prescribed to be like an introduction to data engineering and just get exposure to what the actual concept of data engineering are and just get a feel for whether you want to proceed further in your learning journey or not. I've taken various courses on Zero to Master Academy. I think I've taken their SQL bootcamp, their Python bootcamp, and I've had a great experience in terms of like the courses being very flexible. You can take them at your own pace. They're not overwhelming, and they're very practical in terms of their focus. And they'll have you do projects. They'll have you do interesting exercises and just overall things and activities that build your portfolio so that you can then showcase your knowledge as well. This video is not sponsored in any way. I'm just a former student and I very much enjoy their past courses, and my knowledge has benefited a lot by it. I will share key course links in the description as well for this and all other platforms. So Zero to Master Academy, step number 1. If you want to go further and into the role, I suggest DataCamp as another great resource. They have a ton of data engineering courses, but the thing that I want to focus on today is this data engineering Python track. This is a set of 14 courses, so just a bit more in depth versus the Zero to Master Academy one, and it takes you through the real fundamentals. It takes you through Python programming applied to the realm of data engineering. It'll have you focus on interesting courses such as writing Python code, not just learning how to code, but learning how to write good and efficient code, as well as the various tech stack components that make a great data engineer that you need to learn as well. So I'll have you focus on version controlling systems such as Git, extract, transform, and load, and extract, load, and transform. This is what these acronyms stand for in Python. Just overall, again, you'll see here a good focus on practical projects and overall making you a well-rounded entry-level data engineer, so you can start taking this knowledge, start applying either in job applications or for your own personal portfolio as well, of course. It'll give you a statement of accomplishment at the end, which is really good if you want to showcase it on your LinkedIn with recruiters, etc., etc. You'll see that there are some prerequisites for certain courses. So, for example, here you'll have this associate data engineer in SQL career track, which is a bit of a lighter weight, but it will also help you, focus a lot on SQL, but I would also focus on just going straight for the full-on data engineering Python track if you or have those SQL prerequisites already. Another platform for me has been Coursera. I'm taking a bunch of courses in Coursera through the years. They have a great series of courses released by DeepLearning.AI and in partnership with AWS as well, which is a DeepLearning.AI data engineering professional certificate. I think this is a great option because it doesn't take a lot to complete. 3 months at 10 hours a week. I do believe you can still not rush through it, but just like if you're really focused, you can definitely reduce this time. And it does require a recommended experience in terms of basic Python programming skills. This is something that you can build, for example, through a couple of courses in DataCamp. And overall is a fantastic way to showcase entry-level knowledge in the data engineering world and start building from there as well. In terms of getting certified and just going to the next level, you have a couple of options. In the past, I've taken this professional data engineer certification by Google Cloud, which is fantastic if you're working in a Google Cloud platform environment. And it'll have you follow a specific learning path as well. They'll have a full list of 13 activities or courses to get you just certification ready. And just honestly, you can also take these to just learn about the Google platform a bit more. Or if you're more of an AWS type or Azure type, you'll see these corresponding and very similar learning tracks as well for the other two platforms. For example, here you'll be able to focus on AWS certified data engineer. There's an associate level and then there's more specialist levels. But it's the same concept. Like these are certifications really made for data engineer professionals or aspiring professionals that want to work and need to showcase proof of knowledge of working with a specific tech stack, whether it's like a cloud stack such as AWS's or Google or similar, right? The certifications are super useful. I wouldn't start from the certifications unless you are really in the hunt for a position and you already have those basic programming skills and data engineering concepts and software engineering skills. But there are fantastic next steps, so that's why I want to showcase it to you. And here you go. Let me know in the comments what you think of these resources. I'll link them all in the description below. And have fun learning and I wish you well.